Hey you guys, join me today. I am going to show you some fall and Halloween signs and ribbon and some picks that I put together, and y'all let me know what you think about these picks I've done. Okay, so one of the first signs that I'm going to show you, or the picks that I have put together, is this fabulous sign. I pulled a 1.5 inch pink and black ribbon. This has got velvet in it. I pulled that to go with it, and then also this pink and black curly spray that is a Chanel spray. I picked all of this to go together, and it's really, really cute together. This is one of my favorite ones that we have that I've put together. We got this new sign that is a Happy Halloween sign. It's just a black and white, so if you want to just keep your black and white and orange going. I pulled a 4-inch Harlequin ribbon with this. We do have some black and white striped ribbons, or some black and orange, I believe. And then I pulled this orange and black curly spray. It's a thicker, bigger curly spray to go with it as a good combo that we have right here. Another little combo that I've put together. This sign has been around for a little while, and it's a good one, but it's just beware. If you wanted to get crazy and you want to put two signs in, we have this Frankenstein sign that is new. These are wooden. It says Happy Halloween. He's also a good sign. Either one of these are good to put in between, like if you're using the Frankie wreath kit, the Frankenstein wreath kit. This is a good sign to put right in the middle of the wreath. Either one of these are perfect for that. But I paired it with this purple and black plastic leafy spray that we have. This is a good spray. It is a pusher. You could cut it up in several pieces, but it's the black and purple. We do have this in black and orange, and I love it with this 4-inch glittered, chunky glitter ribbon. It looks great with either one of these. It looks great with this pick as well. This is a new sign. This is a new sign that we have. It says Wicked. It is just a black and green. If you want to do tone on tone, you could pull one of the black and white Harlequin right here, and then add you in some green. I love this green right here. It's a metallic 7/8 inch or a 1 inch. It's a 7/8 inch 10-yard roll green. Love that one with this Wicked sign. Or you could do the eyeballs. This is an 8-inch round sign that says welcome. It has all the eyeballs on it. You could actually mix those together, or you could do your chunky glitter, your 4-inch chunky glitter with it as well. So you've got a lot of options that you can put together with all of these. So we have some good options. And then also, I don't know if we have any eyeball ribbon. We probably have some coming, but here is a polka dotted one that would look cute with it as well. One more Halloween combo, no, two more Halloween combos. 8-inch sign. We do have this in a 12-inch sign, but I love this witch. It's black and white. If you want to do tone on tone, I would say do a whole wreath that's nothing but black and white. Do a grapevine and do blacks and whites, but you could just do this like this with the witch. She has bats around her. We have the black and white bat ribbon that is so cute. That's the 1.5 inch, and you can do tone on tone on it. We have some black 2.5 inch velvet or black 2.5 inch metallic. But I love this one too. It's got the witch on it with the moon behind her, and it's got the bats as well. It looks just like this witch on this, but it's got the lime green back with the bats on it. So it's lime green, yellow, and the black on it. This one pairs really well. One more Halloween before I get to these a few little fall pieces. We have so much more than what I'm showing you guys. You can check it out at tmigifts.com and see all of the Halloween that we have. Two that I have paired together is, I love the October the 31st. Some people do not like the 31st of October sign, but Halloween is the 31st of October, and you're going to take it down right after Halloween because you're ready to put up either your fall or you're putting up your Christmas. Most people will do Halloween, they skip the fall, and they go straight to Christmas. So October the 31st, you're getting it down and you're getting that Christmas stuff ready. I love this sign because we have this skeleton hand that has the spiders on it that you could break apart, and it's the orange and black, and it's got the spiders on it just like the spider that's coming down on the 31st here. Also like it with the orange and black spray. And then we also have this black glittery fern spray that looks great with it. if you don't use that and you use the trick or treat sign, you can use our ribbon that is the orange, white, and yellow. Then you can come in with some black and orange spray or the black glittered spray, and this looks really good together. I love trick or treat. Looks like the candy corn, some little candy corn pieces in it. Great. So many more Halloween options that we have on our website. You can also put this little orange and black in there with that trick or treat sign as well. This plaid is big. It is got the pumpkins in the middle. It's got that olive green color. We do have some really pretty olive green color ribbons, but I pulled this. This is a diagonal plaid that's around this sign, and I pulled this diagonal plaid that matches perfect with it. It's got the browns, the greens, and the oranges. And I love this little 7/8 inch metallic green color as well. This is a 12-inch metal sign, and this all looks really good together. Some more fall that we have. This green color would look good with this one as well over here. Now, I love these signs. I brought some ribbon. We have so much more fall ribbon, as well as some solid colors. But two of my favorite signs are this one that's got the navy blue, and then it's got this kind of a jade green color that's in it. Very, very different. We have lots of options for this. We have some navy ribbons that you could pull and go perfect with this. To me, this emeraldy colored ribbon pulls out that jade color in there. It looks really, really good with it. I love this ribbon right here. You could pull it in and make it look really good. If you put some navy solid with it, it would look really good as well. I love this sign too. This is very new. It's got a little bit of glitter on it. It says welcome, and it's got the pinks. You could use this for fall, or I guess you could use it for spring as well. But to me, it's a little bit more on the fall side because it has the glitter in it, and it's got your burgundies, your purples, your rich deep tones, almost like jewel tones, but the mustardy yellow leaves and things like that. So some really pretty colors in it. I love this mushroom ribbon. I don't know that you would put it with that, but it's got some of those deep rich tones in with it. You could pull out some green in it. If you put the green with it, it pulls out some more green colors with it. So lots of ribbons to go with this. I love these two signs, and they are new to us. We have so many more fall and Halloween signs, so check it out at tmigifts.com. Shop these things at tmigifts.com. This is all our fall and our Halloween signs and just some things I've paired together. Y'all let me know what you think about it in the comments below.